All right, let's see what unit you guys think this is from the side. Oh yeah. So this is a house, an abandoned house in upstate New York. Got a carrier. It's not a Mathis. Mathis units stick out of the window more, and they're not as wide. Check out the original brackets. At least I think they're original. It's got a semi-hermetic compressor. Kind of see. But yeah, so there's that one. Come over here to the front. We got Christian here. This is a 48 Philco, or Philco York. This might have been before York. Right here. Coil on this side, and blower on that side. I can't see what kind of compressor this guy has. Can't tell. And then it's open on the bottom of the chassis here. Bird's nest, typical stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna try and get in contact with the owners. And oh yeah, there's an 80s Kenmore upstairs on the other side, but yeah, don't care about it. So yeah, hopefully these will be in me and Christian's possession at some point. So yeah, I figured I'd share that because I don't get to see these very often, let alone installed. Yeah, anywhere between 48 and 52. And this is the note that we left.